Hello and welcome to Unit 10. Today we are going to study lessons 3 and 4. So as usual we are going to start with our vocabulary. First word we have today is electricity. Electricity is a form of energy supplied as electric current through cables and wires. A form of energy supplied as electric current through cables and wires. Electricity. Second word we have is robot. Robot is a machine that can perform a complicated series of tasks automatically. Robot. Earthquake. Earthquake is a sudden violent shaking of Earth's surface. A sudden violent shaking of the Earth's surface is an earthquake. Space. Space. An area that you can move around. An area that you can move around and is out of our planet is space. Drone. Drone. Drone is an aircraft without a pilot, controlled from the ground. An aircraft without a pilot, controlled from the ground, is a drone. Electric car. Electric car. Electric car is a car or a vehicle powered by electricity. Warm. Warm, a fairly high temperature in a way that is pleasant rather than being hot or cold. Traditional. Traditional. Traditional means being part of the beliefs, customs, or a way of life of a particular group of people. Traditional. Temperature. 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 The measurement in degrees of how hot or cold a thing or place. Temperature. Cool. Cool. Fairly cold, not hot or warm. Cool. Sign. Sign. Sign is a piece of paper, wood, or metal that has writing or a picture on it that gives you information. Sign. Rockets. Rockets. A rocket is a spacecraft in the shape of a tube that is driven by a stream of gases. Rockets. Solar panels. Solar panels. A piece of equipment on a roof that uses light and heat energy from the sun to produce hot water and electricity. Solar panels. Wind turbines. Wind turbines. A type of modern windmill used for producing electricity. Wind turbines. Podcast. Podcast, a digital audio file that can be taken from the internet and played on a computer or any device. A digital audio file that can be taken from the internet and played on a computer or any device. Podcast. Guest. Guest, a person that you have invited to your house. Guest. Guest. Parcel. Something that is wrapped in paper so that it can be sent by mail, carried easily, or given as a present. Parcel. Igloo. Igloo. A small round house or shelter built from blocks or hard snow. Igloo. Yurt. Yurt. A type of traditional tent used in Mongolia. Yurt. Square. Rectangle. Okay. Square is a shape that has 4 equal sides with 4 corners. And rectangle is a shape that has 4 angles but has 2 long sides and 2 short sides as shown in the picture. Square and rectangle. Round. Round is the shape of a circle. Round is the shape of a circle. Now let's move to the part of grammar, making predictions about the futures. We use will plus the infinitive or won't plus the infinitive to predict or make prediction but without any evidence. For example, there will be electric cars in the future. There won't be robot teachers in the future. Okay. With questions, we use will plus subject plus the infinitive. Will there be electric cars in the future? Will we live on the moon in the future? Yes, we will. Or no, we won't. Also, we use will with verbs like believe, think, perhaps, maybe, possible, it's possible to, and so on with these expressions, things that gives you the meaning that we don't have any evidence for our predictions. Now it's the end of our lesson, and thanks for listening. I hope it was useful for you. Thank you so much.